guys, so for today, I will be showing you what's in my everyday bag here. So come with me and let's look at some of my current ones. This is my perfume. Yeah, cute lang. Cute size lang siya because I want to always smell good, you know, smell fresh. Pero, hindi lang ito yung nagpapa-fresh sa akin and smell good because I layer it with the new Rexona Peach Glow. Guys, promise, this is my all-time favorite talagang. It makes me smell good. Like, sobrang bango. Hindi lang siya bango. Sobrang bango niya. It keeps me being fresh all day. Kaya naman, I cannot live without my deal. And next one is, I also have my glasses. Kasi minsan, lumalabas kami, maaraw, or kapag trip ko lang mag-glasses pag walang makeup, I always have this, my makeup pouch. Kasi I need to always retouch my makeup sa mga shoot namin. So this is a must. Nandito lahat. This is my life. So guys, that's it for what's in my bag. And I actually have to go na kasi may work pa ako. And this is my whole bag. This is my baby. And syempre, hindi ko makakalimutang dalhin the new Rexona Peach Glow. Bye guys!